Now our motto determine that value. So how can do it? First of all, if we put x is equal to 0, then we got 1 into 0 into, that is for infinitive. So how can do we do this type of problem? I have already discussed, if this type of problem is here, then take log both sides. Means if you take, that is y, that function, this function is y, then this one is written as x tends to 0, 1 plus x cos x to whole power x sin x. Clear or not? Now taking log both side, then that is log y, limit x tends to 0, so x sin x, and here log of 1 plus x log x. Clear or not? Clear or not? If take log both side, I know that is log a to power b, that is b log a. Okay, if log, that is a and that is b, so that's why that b part like that one and a part like that one. Clear or not? So after that, now limit x tends to 0, this one is written as simply 1 plus x log x whole divided by x sin x. Now if put x is equal to 0, then we got 1 log 1 plus 0, so log 1 is 0, and here if put 0, then we got 0 by 0. You can apply L'Hospital rule also. So if you apply L'Hospital rule, then we got x tends to 0, that is 1 upon 1 plus x log x into differentiation of this one, 1 of difference 0, that is differentiation of x, that is 1 into 1 by, so 1 by x plus, sorry, there is a first function and that is second function. So first into second differentiation plus second into first differentiation, so log x into 1 whole divided by, if you differentiate this one, this is first and that is second, so first is x into cos x plus x differentiation of x, that is 1 and that is sin x. Clear or not? After that, limit x tends to 0, then we got 1 plus log x whole divided by 1 plus x log x into x cos x plus sin x. If put x is equal to 0, then we got 1 plus 0 log 0. Log 0 is infinitive, minus infinitive, so that is minus infinitive. Now put here 1 plus e to power, and that is put x is equal to 0, that is 0 into minus infinitive plus, that is 0, and we put here 0, sin 0, that is 0. Okay, so basically minus infinitive divided by 0, so we got minus infinitive. So log y is equal to minus infinitive, so y is equal to e to power minus infinitive, means 1 upon e to power infinitive, that is 1 by infinitive, basically that is 0. So y this equal to basically 0 is the right answer. Okay, so limit of this one equal to 0.